for the storm of the century. Whatever. And unfortunately, the trash guy came today, and we got to send Jack out to get the trash barrel. Jack, I'm sorry, it's got to be you, but today you become a man. I got you some supplies.
I'm already a man.
I got you some supplies for your trip.
Oh yeah. Butterscotch, Jello.
Toothbrush.
Oh god.
I don't know what those are.
I don't know.
They smell sweaty. Cream corn.
Oh yes.
Alright, listen. It's important. Get that trash barrel, bring it back to us.
Should we tie a rope around his leg?
No.
You know, I had some flares around here, but I can't find them.
I need some help. I need some help, mister.
Yeah, well, you're going to need your cream corn.
I need it all. This is too good.
Right,
and this is going to be the funniest. Oh, you need toothbrush.
Okay, I love you. Good luck.
Good hygiene.
Kate, let's go.
Here's Katie. Next year.
Alright, he's going out.
Good hygiene. Oops, sorry.
Good luck. Godspeed. Trash barrel.
Okay, this is Kitty Clark. This is Kitty Clark. And this young man is trying to go out into snow. And I'm trying to hike in this. He has it! He has it! He has it! And he's coming up. He's brushing his teeth. So I don't believe it. But
In this blizzard, you're insane.
Mr. Don's newspaper. Thank you. Try not to get lost.
We're right here. I can't see him anymore, can you?
I can't see him. He's gone. Oh, wait, someone's screaming over there. Will they ever come back? Hopefully not.
You said it, not me.
Sure. Oh, yes! I am not going to have toothpaste. Thank you. Thank you.
You made it! You're back!